Have you ever heard of AI images? This revolutionary technology is changing the game in many industries and creating tremendous earning opportunities for those who know how to leverage it. In this video, we'll explore the world of AI images and show you how to start making big money using it.
Have you heard about AI profile PicsArt? It's such an excellent tool that lets you create stunning profile images with the help of AI. This online platform takes your stock photos and turns them into a work of art with just a few clicks. To create your avatar, you must upload from 15 to 20 photos of yourself or the subject you want to use. Then you can edit and crop the images to your liking using the online photo editor. After that, you get to choose from over 70 available art styles, each with its unique look and feel. The options are endless, from the Joker to Greek gods, from cartoon characters to stroke drawings, and from fantasy to cyberpunk. Once you've made your selections, you'll receive an email in about 2 hours with your perfect avatar. The AI technology used by PicsArt is top-notch, and the AI-based quality control systems ensure that every photo created goes through a thorough quality check process. This means you can expect unparalleled photo quality and stunning visuals every time. Regarding payment, PicsArt accepts major credit cards and PayPal, and an invoice for the total amount will be sent to your email after payment. Plus, for privacy reasons, all AI-generated photos will be deleted from the server within a week. Of course, refunds are not possible, but customer satisfaction is guaranteed. And if you're a tech-savvy individual, the trained model can even be imported into any Stable Diffusion UI and referenced with the keywords SKS plus type in the prompts. Okay, let me add more details to make it more exciting and informative. PicsArt's AI technology is designed to create up to 200 high-resolution and high-quality profile images. The platform supports PNG, JPG, and HEIC file formats so that you can use the photos for your online profiles and other purposes like printing, wallpapers, and more. One of the best things about PicsArt is the variety of art styles available. Whether looking for a classic, elegant look or something more playful and quirky, you're sure to find a style that suits your personality. And with over 70 styles to choose from, the possibilities are endless. Another great feature of PicsArt is the quick turnaround time. Within 2 hours of making your selections, you'll receive an email with your perfect avatar, so you can start using it immediately and no more waiting for days or weeks to create your profile image. And if you're worried about privacy, you can rest easy knowing that all AI-generated photos will be deleted from the server within a week. PicsArt values the privacy of its customers, and this is just one way they ensure that your personal information is protected. So why wait? If you're looking for a fun and creative way to showcase your personality online, head to AI Profile PicsArt today. Whether you're a professional, student, artist, or just someone looking for a fun new way to express yourself, this tool has everything you need to create a truly unique and unforgettable profile image. So if you're looking for a fun and unique way to stand out on social media or wherever you use your profile image, give AI Profile Pic.art a try. Your friends will be amazed at the transformation. Have you ever wanted a portrait of yourself that looks just like you? Look no further, because autoportrait.ai is here to make that dream a reality. This fantastic service uses artificial intelligence to generate unique portraits of a person from multiple photos of their face. All you have to do is upload a few clear pictures of your face and let the magic of AI do the rest. The AI takes anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours to train on your photos, but the results are truly stunning. The generated portraits are so lifelike, they look exactly like you. And the best part is the AI can generate an unlimited number of images in millions of styles, so that you can have a different picture for every mood and occasion. Autoportrait AI is also a secure service, so you can rest easy knowing that your payments are protected by Stripe and encrypted with SSL. And if privacy is a concern, you'll be happy to see that they have a strict privacy policy. To use Autoportrait AI, you'll need to buy credits. One image equals 1 credit, and you can buy 500 credits for one face training with artificial intelligence for one person. There's also a surprise package option, where you can get 50 images with random stars for a fun surprise. If you want even more portraits, you can buy 500 credits for up to 500 pictures or 1000 credits for up to 1000 pictures. And if you buy 1000 credits, you'll even save 10% in credits. That's two-phase training with artificial intelligence for 2 people and up to 1000 images. Autoportrait.ai is a game changer for people who want a unique and personalized portrait. It's not just about creating a digital image that looks like you. It's about having the ability to express yourself in new and creative ways. Whether you want to use your portrait for personal or professional purposes, Autoportrait.ai has got you covered. The whole process is super simple and user-friendly. You must upload a few photos of yourself and the AI will do the rest. It's like magic. The AI uses these photos to create a digital version of you that can be customized in endless ways. You can choose from millions of presets and styles, or you can even create your custom style. And the best part? The AI is super smart, so it keeps learning and improving with every portrait it generates. So the more you use Autoportrait.ai, the more personalized and unique your images will become. The guys behind Autoportrait.ai, Zeke and Victor Timset, have ensured that the service is secure and trustworthy. They have implemented industry-standard encryption methods to protect your data and payments, so you can rest easy knowing that your privacy and security are taken seriously. So what are you waiting for? Get creative and generate some portraits today. Whether you want to make a personalized gift for someone special or use it as your profile picture on social media, Autoportrait is the perfect solution. With its easy-to-use interface, millions of styles and presets, and secure payment system, you can go right. If you're tired of trying on endless suits in the store and want to see how you'd look without the hassle, Suit Me Up has got you covered. It's an AI-based tool that uses machine learning algorithms to create ultra-realistic pictures of you wearing a suit. And the best part, you don't even have to leave your house. Getting started is a breeze. Just upload 10 to 20 classic photos of yourself in PNG or JPG format and let the AI work the magic. And when we say classic, we mean it. You'll want to include close-ups, full-length shots, and everything in between for the best results. Once you've uploaded your photos, the AI works, generating 80 stunning pictures of you in a suit, and it only takes 25 to 45 minutes. The pictures you get can be used for any purpose, including your resume or Tinder profile. You'll be amazed at how realistic the pictures look. It's like you're actually wearing the suit. And if you're worried about privacy, don't be. The images you upload, the AI model, and the generated pictures are all deleted after 30 days. Suit Me Up was created by a French solopreneur, Alex, who used Astria, Firebase, Vue.js, and Bulma to bring the project to life. It's always great to support individual entrepreneurs, and Alex is no exception. You can find him on Twitter in English and LinkedIn in French, and his email address is available through the website. And the best part? Using the discount code SUITUP, you'll get 30% off the already low price of $19. That's a steal for 80 unique pictures of you looking like a dapper gentleman. If you still need convincing, let's talk about how customizable the whole process is. You can choose from various suit styles, from classic to modern, and even different colors to see which looks best on you. It's great to experiment with your style without committing to a purchase. Plus, you can use the generated pictures to see which type suits you best before investing in an actual suit. The generated pictures are also for great flexibility. You can use them for your LinkedIn profile, business cards, and your personal website. If you're an actor or model, you can use the generated pictures as part of your portfolio, showcasing your range in different suit styles. The possibilities are endless. But what if you're not looking for a suit? The good news is that Alex is already working on expanding the range of clothes you can try with the AI-based tools. So whether you're interested in seeing how you'd look in a tuxedo or a dress, you can do so soon. And who knows, you can mix and match different clothing items to create your unique style. And if you're worried about the AI-generated pictures looking fake or unrealistic, you can rest easy. The AI is trained on a large data set of human images and is constantly improving thanks to machine learning algorithms. The pictures it generates are ultra-realistic, down to folds in the fabric and the texture of the suit material. You'll be amazed at how authentic you look in the pictures. So why not give Suit Me Up a try? It's a fun and easy way to see how you'd look in a suit without the hassle of actually trying one on. Who knows, you might even find your perfect match on Tinder with your new and improved profile picture. So upload your photos, sit back and let the AI do the work. Have you heard about Crikey AI? It's a fantastic tool for developers to create animated avatars and animations using advanced AI technology. This AI tool is super easy to use. All you have to do is input the action you want your avatar to do or use one of the pre-made prompts and voila! Your avatar will come to life in a matter of seconds. The public gallery is full of different animations, ranging from swinging and tai chi to dance and cartwheel. You can even create a zombie avatar, which is perfect for Halloween. One of the most incredible things about Crikey AI is that it provides SDKs for product development, AI assets, and pricing for both SDKs and AI assets. If you're a developer, this is definitely a tool you want in your arsenal. And if you're not a developer, don't worry, Crikey AI has an FAQ, support, and documentation to help you get started. Let me tell you a bit more about how Crikey AI works. The AI gaming tool uses neural networks to generate avatars and animations based on the user's input. It's incredible how quickly it can create a realistic-looking avatar by interpreting a simple description. The avatars are pretty impressive, with smooth and fluid movements that give them a lifelike quality. Of course, the quality of the animation depends on the level of detail provided by the user, but even a simple description can result in a great-looking animation. One thing to remember is that the avatars are limited to human-like movement. So if you're looking to create a flying dragon or a giant monster, this might not be the tool for you. But for more human-like movements such as running, jumping, and dancing, Crikey AI is perfect. Another great feature of Crikey AI is the public gallery. This is a place where users can view and share their creations with others. It's a great way to see what other people are doing with the tool and get inspiration for your project. But wait, there's more. You can export and edit your avatars for various applications, including mobile augmented reality. How cool is that? The technology does have some limitations though, such as the avatars being limited to human-like movements and the quality of the animation being affected by the level of detail in the description. But overall, Crikey AI is an excellent tool for developers who want to create animations and avatars quickly and easily. And with the public gallery, you can view and share your creations with others. So what are you waiting for? Give Crikey AI a try and let your imagination run wild. Have you heard about AI Photo of Me? It's a super cool online photo generator that uses the magic of artificial intelligence to create personalized profile photos for its users. And let me tell you, it's unlike anything you've ever seen. So here's how it works. You simply upload 10-20 of your favorite photos, and the app uses its AI algorithm to analyze your features and preferences. It then creates a custom profile photo tailored just for you in one of the 100 styles available. Can you imagine having a profile photo representing you and your personality? Well, now you can. The best part is that AI Photo of Me is super easy to use, even for those with limited technical knowledge. The app's user-friendly interface makes creating your custom profile photo a breeze, and if you're feeling adventurous, you can even purchase additional styles to switch things up. The options are endless. But don't just take my word for it. Try it out for yourself. Marko Pekas, an independent developer from Croatia, developed the app. All data is securely stored in the United States, so you can feel confident that your information is safe. The app promises to remove photos and user data within 7 days, and the payment process is secure. If you still need to get more satisfied with your purchase, you can request a refund within 14 days. And let me tell you, the results are nothing short of amazing. Users have raved about the app and the personalized profile photos it creates. The AI model accurately captures your unique features and preferences with stunning precision. Whether you're looking to revamp your social media presence or just want a new profile photo, AI Photo of Me has you covered. But the app's benefits continue. Not only does it create personalized profile photos, but it also saves you time and effort. No more spending hours scrolling through your camera roll to find the perfect photo or spending money on professional photos. With AI Photo of Me, you can have a stunning profile photo in just a few minutes from the comfort of your home. So, if you're looking for a fun and unique way to spice up your profile photos, AI photo of me is worth checking out. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking for a convenient, personalized, and affordable way to create profile photos that truly represent them. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to stand out online, AI photo of me is the answer. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try today and join the thousands of users who are already loving their new profile photos.